Hello, my name is Julian Ezquerra and I live in the Basque Country, a land where a lot of stories and tales about mythological creatures are told. One of the most creatures is Tartaro. Let's know something about it. Tartaro, in Basque mythology, is a new, strong, one-eyed giant very similar to the Greek Cyclops that Ulysses faces in Homer's Odyssey. He is said to live in caves in the mountains and catch young people in order to eat them. In some accounts he eats sheep also. Tartaro has been described as the Basque equivalent to the Cyclops Polyphemus, and similarity to the Cyclops in Homer's Odyssey is compelling. One day, while two brothers of the Antimunio Passeri were hunting, a storm broke, so they decided to take their fruit from the rain in a cave, which was Tartaro's cave. Soon after, Tartaro appeared with his flock of sheep. He saw the two brothers and said, "One for today and the other for tomorrow." That same day he cooked and ate the eldest one, and then he went to sleep. While he was sleeping, the youngest brother stole Tartaro's ring, and then he stuck the rusting spit on his only eye. Tartaro was blind, but not dead yet. He started to look for the boy among his sheep, but he put on sheep's skin and escaped from Tartaro. But unluckily, when he got out of the flock of sheep, Hyakusa's ring started to shout, "Here I am! Here I am!" Tartaro got out of his cave and he started to run after the ring, hearing its shouts. The young one wasn't able to take off the ring, so when he arrived to the edge of a cliff, he cut off his finger, and since Tartaro was near, he decided to throw it down the cliff. Tartaro, following the ring shouting, fell off the cliff.